Ethical sourcing begins long before luxury is imagined.
Every snake skin is tracked, inspected, and documented.
Every snake skin is tracked, inspected, and documented.
Every snake skin is tracked, inspected, and documented.
Global regulations protect both species and craft.
Precision begins at the very first step. Every scale must remain intact for luxury finish.
Natural patterns define exclusivity in luxury jackets.
Preservation locks quality at its peak. Traceability is luxury's invisible backbone.
Time pauses, quality remains unchanged.
The journey from nature to luxury now begins. Preserved skins now travel under strict control.
Temperature stability protects every natural scale.
Cold chain logistics preserve premium quality. Every kilometer is tracked and verified. Compliance follows the journey at every step. This is where raw material meets craftsman's.
The transformation begins behind these walls.
Precision matters even before unloading. Integrity checks protect luxury standards. Speed and care work hand in hand. Raw luxury enters controlled transformation. The tannery is now ready to begin. Inside these walls, raw material gains purpose. Discipline defines industrial excellence. Clean entry protects every processing stage. Order and control shape the workspace. Material awakens under controlled conditions.
Quality is confirmed before progression.
Uniformity starts with precise sorting. Data validates every physical step. The journey moves deeper into transformation. Each zone demands its own discipline. Machines await their natural input. The next phase begins at the machine's edge.
Cleaning begins with controlled motion. Impurities are removed without harming structure.
Balance preserves natural scale detail.
Residue leaves. Purity remains.
Clean surfaces reveal true texture.
Clean surfaces reveal true texture.
Detail defines premium material. Strength and softness must coexist.
Nature's patterns create hierarchy.
Perfection is shaped, not forced. Preparation pauses before transformation.
Clean skin is now ready for change. Transformation begins with chemistry and control.
Each skin enters a controlled environment.
Time-tested methods protect natural texture. Time-tested methods protect natural texture. Patience defines premium leather.
Balance determines final strength.
Quality is checked, not assumed.
The skin's structure is now locked.
The skin's structure is now locked.
Raw skin becomes true leather.
Feel confirms successful tanning.
Moisture is reduced, character remains.
Leather prepares for refinement. Drying shapes leather's final behavior.
Precision protects natural flexibility.
Gravity assists uniform drying.
Even drying preserves visual harmony. Structure is set, feel comes next. Softness is engineered, not rushed. Movement restores flexibility. Texture awakens under controlled motion.
Feel meets expectation.
Human touch confirms machine success.
Leather is now ready for precision.
Automation brings consistency to craftsmanship. Every detail is digitally understood.
Technology respects natural design. Precision replaces guesswork.
Accuracy preserves luxury value.
Durability is built into detail. Uniformity ensures perfect tailoring.
Order prepares for assembly.
Conditioning enhances touch and sheen.
Treatments settle into permanence. Perfection is verified twice.
Luxury moves closer to completion.
Refinement defines luxury. Human skill elevates machine precision.
Shine emerges without force. Nature's palette is balanced, not erased.
Stability ensures lasting beauty.
Touch confirms excellence.
Form begins to resemble fashion. Precision prepares assembly.
Symmetry elevates design. Protection meets elegance.
Time perfects the finish.
Final judgment awaits.
Luxury must pass absolute scrutiny. Perfection is measured at the smallest level. Perfection is measured at the smallest level. Strength supports elegance. Luxury must endure motion.
Protection meets practicality.
Color must remain timeless.
Safety defines true luxury.
Fit begins before stitching.
Approval grants passage forward. Standards allow no compromise. Only the best move forward.
The journey nears completion.
Protection preserves perfection.
Presentation begins with care.
Order prepares for movement.
Luxury rests under protection.
Every piece is accounted for.
The world now awaits.
Final movement carries refined craft.
Responsibility Kanati concludes the process.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury snakeskin jackets from start to finish.
From nature to fashion, precision leads the way.